hello. Oh my goodness, okay. I'm going to bring the speaker around so we can all hear everyone. I'm going to bring it central now, because we've got a bit popular. There we go. Because you love Christmas, don't you? So I'm going to read between the lines. He kind of likes Christmas a little bit. They don't need to see I'm receding. Now then, you guys have come down very special today. Are you up to anything extra special over the Christmas season?
He does a lot around this time of year. Sometimes goes in a sleigh, sometimes he some presents.
What?
So everybody's got to keep an eye on this. He's already stole a scooter today.
He stole a scooter? No, oi! Where's the police when you need them? Where's the police? Unbelievable! Careful, Richard. There's a speaker there. I'm not sure. Hey, we do have one fan of yours. Gringe. We have one fan of yours. Is it a who? I check. Are you a who? Are you a who? A who? No, he's a what? I don't know when. Oh my goodness, it's so good to have you, well, it's so good to have you here, let's be fair. And will you be doing anything special for Christmas this year? Sing around growing your winter coat. It's nice, coming along nicely there. Coming along nicely there, Grinchy. Now, we have got the big light switch on. I do believe it's once it's 12 o'clock. Would you guys like to help us turn on the big Christmas? Cindy, you would love to. Let's give Cindy low! And Grinch, would you like to help?
Why? Why am I doing this? Why? Do this!
At the moment, Grinch not keen. Getting the vibe that he doesn't want to spend the night so I think we need to help grow his heart. Now, how can we do that? We can get everybody. I hate this. Grinch, come on, come over here. Come here. The crowd want to say something to you. All right, here we go. After 3, we're going to say we love you, Grinch. It might help grow his heart just enough to help turn the lights on. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Grinch!
Hey, no, wait. You can't cover your ears. Right, Cindy, look, keep his arms down. Perfect. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Grinch!
How you feeling? I have a heartbeat. Here's a heartbeat. One more time. Nice smile. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Grinch!
With extra pay. Good luck with that. I just turned up. I was doing some shopping and they handed me a mic, so good luck with that. Okay. Well, all right. One more time. We love you, Grinch, just to make sure. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Grinch!
I love the adults to get involved. Okay, right. Let's bring this forward ever so slightly so we can all get around. Okay. One either side. I'll be in the middle. We're doing a countdown. Oh, he's doing some lunging. Oh, he's warming up. Can he stretch his...
Talking about a year. He hasn't done it since last Christmas.
He's ready to go. You're all right. Okay, whoa. Okay, Grinch. Right. Well, we'll do 10 because that's what we do on the big light switch on. So all together we're going to count 10 backwards, but not this way, not backwards. Don't turn around. 10, 9, 8. That way. All together. Here we go. 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Dynamite!
Look. You just said that's got nothing to do with me. Right, let's just... Dave, you ready, mate? He's been in there for 4 hours. All he's got to do is kind of switch on. Right, here we go. Oh, here we go. Are you ready? 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's the problem? Well, that's me done. I'm off. Well done, guys. Thanks for helping. Thank you.
They got cars, big and bars, they got rivers and gold. Rainbows through